Hello and welcome. This is my car and my life.
Bad repairs.
Nice done. Now we have to decide what to repair first. I think I will go for, let's see if we get some lighter. For this thing. This is this is not nice done. I haven't done anything yet. It is in this shape. But I think we have to take everything away here. This is some kind of bad repair. Just fill it up. I don't... all of this old piece away. Nice done. This is more true what we have to work with here. On this side it has had some great impact. It's the side where we have the damage over here. And I can see they have done repairs here too, because usually you see the spot welds. This, and they have none here. And they have not replaced the fender, because I can see that on the spot weld. And the same thing here. They have done some repairs, but they have paint over here too. Something have been done to this fender. Now I have been grind away all the damaged fiberglass. So this is what we will work with. It's quite a lot here. On the inside it looks like this. And it's a lot of cracks over here. I will pull this together and lay a layer of fiberglass just to put them together. And after that we will decide what the next step is. I attached these two pieces here yesterday, but I think this one should have been 2 millimeters higher. It's twisted, so it should be against here, I think, because it seems to be twisted. This part is too low. Let's see how I fix it. Maybe I have to redo this repair, or if I can fill it up. I didn't get it quite as I had hoped. This is the repair from the inside. I just patched up this to get it in the right shape. Then I have to redo everything. I have grind out everywhere that I see it's cracked. Here I have to grind some more. I just redo it. Yeah, a crack over here. Yes. So I from this side it looked okay, but I think it slipped apart a bit, especially on the outside. Yes, I have to redo this part. I think this dip in the over part here should be at that low thing there. So it's 5 millimeters too far out, this one. And that we can't get this piece too much. This has to go 5 millimeters further back. So let's grind off everything on the back side and redo this. should be uniform. They haven't repaired this the right way either. I have to grind down this too and see what we can do about it. I think I have an idea. We do this another way this time. This one is broken, but I know how to fix it. Just take a screw and screw it in here. This is the right shape. This is going good, but I don't know about this little piece. Don't feel like that going against that angle. It's turning in too early, I think. This is... Or is this the way? Here it feels right, but it doesn't match there. And if we lift it out, it's too high here. I could attach this one now and deal with this gap later. I think that's the best way to do it. Maybe we take this apart. Could it belong on another spot? We take this away. We save it. Now we glass this part. The plan is to put one piece over here and I have another here. Then we put this piece against over here and lay this over here so there's something to build off. That's the first step. Oh my god!
Hur ska det här torka?
Ja, hon är ju fixat klar. Jag bara säger till henne kaka klar och kika om mig bara.
Yeah. Let's see what we got here. I think it is still a bit tacky. I want to do another layer over here. Let's see if we can. But that will be in the next episode. Subscribe so you don't miss it.
Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.